Hello there, my dear friends, and a very warm welcome back to the show. Well, it is finally that time again where we sit down to talk about the absolute loudest, most incredibly powerful, and most impressively durable speakers currently available on the market. Today we are very excited to be introducing the brand new Champions series Acoustics, brought to you by the world-renowned SPL Show brand. You are currently watching the official ACV channel, and my name is Pavel. So please go ahead and brew yourself a nice cup of good tea, or perhaps even something a little bit stronger, and let's get this started right now. And as usual, let's take a look inside our truly beautiful, vibrant, powerful, well-designed and incredibly eye-catching boxes to see exactly what's included. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is what the impressive SPL Show box looks like. This is the SPL Show LN Champions, a high-performance model that was meticulously developed for enthusiasts. It really is a stunning piece of engineering that we are excited to show you today. For ACV, and as for the technical specifications, please note that the inside of the box is also finished in black, which looks very stylish as well. There is a user manual included here. As you can see, it is quite detailed and thorough. You also get an SPL Show air freshener from the Champions line, and of course a standard warranty card is included in the package. A branded Champions sticker is included. The speaker box is also designed in the unified SPL Show Champions style, and so on. Everything is included, just as listed. You also get an air freshener, a warranty card with a complete list of all service centers across Russia, a coupon with instructions for a 20% discount, and a QR code for easy access to more information. Be sure to subscribe to all our social media channels. The user manual here is much more comprehensive than the one for the tweeters, and there are as many as 3 stickers: Champions, SPL Show, and this one, SPL Show produced by ACV. For those who aren't aware and haven't seen previous reviews and are now wondering, what is this SPL Show? What is Champions? I thought I was on the ACV channel. Let me explain it for you. Look, SPL Show is a new sub-brand from ACV. At the moment, we have 3 product lines in our arsenal: Nitro, F1 and Champions. All this hardware is suitable both for everyday use and for participating in car audio competitions. The design of the Champions Acoustics, of course, just like the design of the other lines, is done in a unified style that references the world of motorsport. Yes, if you haven't watched the previous reviews, SPL Show, all the product lines are inspired by the world of motorsport, specifically Formula 1 racing. You can see this in the bold design on the boxes, as well as in the pattern on the speaker cone itself. If we look at the front side, we'll see a design element with a racing car wheel. Now, let's move on to the main technical specifications. Get ready, the numbers you're about to hear are almost illegal. The RMS power of all the speakers, regardless of whether they use a ferrite or neodymium magnet system, is 300 watts. That's 300 watts of nominal power. Can you imagine? People drive around with 300 watt subwoofers and love it, but here we're talking about a mid-range speaker with 300 watts. The sensitivity is 99 dB for the 16 centimeter model. The ferrite speaker has a sensitivity of 101 decibels, while the 16 centimeter neodymium version has 101 decibels. The 20 centimeter ferrite version has 100 decibels, and the 20 centimeter neodymium version has 102 decibels. The effective radiating area is 240 square centimeters for the 20 centimeter speaker and 150 square centimeters for the 16 centimeter speaker. The frequency response range is from 100 Hz to 10 and 1000 Hz. The cone material is pressed cellulose with added fiberglass, making it quite rigid, which protects it from creasing at the edges of the speaker, while at the same time being very lightweight, allowing it to achieve such incredible sensitivity figures. The surround is made of fabric, double roll for the 20 centimeter model and single roll for the 16 centimeter model. All models, regardless of size or type, the magnetic system uses a high-temperature 2-layer KSV voice coil with a diameter of 44.5 millimeters, which provides exceptional thermal and mechanical capabilities. The rigid steel basket has an anti-resonance coating and is very inert. There is a black centering spider, above which runs a silver-plated lead wire. The speaker terminals are doubled for convenience. The terminals are also coated with an anti-oxidation gold-plated compound to extend their service life. And now we've smoothly moved on to the magnetic system. Here we have 311 grams of premium neodymium and 1,330 grams of equally high-quality ferrite. This is the heart of our audio system, which allows it to handle such impressive power loads. Now let's talk about the high frequency section. Here we have two models, the C100T50N and the C80T80N. From the names, we can tell that the number 100 indicates the outer diameter of the tweeter, and 50 is its nominal power. So the tweeter has a diameter of 100 millimeters and a power of 50 watts. Here, accordingly, the outer diameter is 80 millimeters and the power is 80 watts. Power, can you imagine? A tweeter with a nominal power of 80 watts, speaker sensitivity of 109 decibels and 115 decibels. Such performance is achieved thanks to ultra-strong N38H neodymium magnets and special diaphragms made from polyamide. The voice coil is two-layered, made from tinned aluminum wire with a diameter of 32.5 millimeters in the model, C138 millimeters in the C80 model. The speaker terminals are of the spade type with capacitors soldered to the positive terminal. 4.7 microfarads in the C80 model and 2.2 microfarads in the C100 model. The stated frequency response range is from 1200 Hz to 20,000 Hz for the C80 model, and from the C100 model plays from 2500 to 20,000 Hz. It's also worth noting the build quality of the speakers, whether it's the tweeters or the mid-range drivers. Everything is assembled with maximum attention to quality, using the best materials. That's why this equipment will delight you for many years, of course, provided it is used properly. Now, I suggest we move on to the listening test. Put on your headphones. The crossover frequency will be around 7 or 8,000 Hz. I'm not exactly sure yet. Enjoy listening.
Whether the audio quality is actually set at 8,000 Hz or something else entirely, I am still not exactly sure about the specific technical details. I truly hope that you find the experience pleasant and enjoy listening to the recording as it plays through to the very end. It's dangerous to consider her in my presence. Mama, I'm a Kalasla. Say hello to your friends, come to the palace. We both know this definitely isn't the end. She's dangerous near me. Mama, I'm a Kasla. Bring your friends to the palace. We know this isn't the end. I read between the lines. Get dressed. This lady knows her place. No need to rush. We have time. I'm laughing, not feeling like myself. At our table, angels and demons. Shots of strawberries and lemons. Ginger rubles, pink euros. Call your friends, don't be difficult. These are Mali Gunki. Well now, my dear friends and fellow listeners, it has finally come to that point in our journey where it is time for us to sit back and carefully sum things up. Let us take a closer look at everything we have learned about Acoustica.
Champions is, first and foremost, a premium class stage acoustic system created at the cutting edge of the technologies used in building acoustic systems. If in the 2026 season you want nothing but victories in competitions, or if you want to be heard on the other side of the city, or even in another city altogether, then Acoustica Champions is definitely your choice. This was Pavel from RCV. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to all our channels. Goodbye, everyone.